Little iron wants to play, go away.
Why should rain go away?
There is the rain.
Yeah, there is rain there, but why should rain go away? We can have some yummy hot chocolate.
Okay.
So, should we start?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to Mom & Sons, and today we are going to make some yummy delicious hot chocolate. And you can always have hot chocolate in winters, but in lockdown we get bored, so we're just having hot chocolate for fun. Even the rain outside is going on, so it's a bit cold. To make ourselves warmer, we can have chocolate. So let's get started. Our first ingredient is milk. We are taking 250 ml full milk. Now we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon coffee powder. Coffee powder gives nice flavor to our hot chocolate. That's why we are using coffee powder. The next ingredient is cocoa powder. We are taking 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, the unsweetened one. And we are using a whisk to stir it. The next ingredient is sugar. We are using 2 teaspoons sugar. And now take 1.5 teaspoon corn flour and add 3 teaspoons water and make a paste of it. Then add it. Now the last ingredient here. Now we will add dark chocolate. You don't have to use compound chocolate, but any chocolate. The best one is Dairy Milk, but we don't have it right now, so we are going to use Duke's Choco Safari. Now if you have Dairy Milk, then you can use 10 rupees Dairy Milk. It is sufficient for 250 ml milk. We just have to whisk it for some time. Okay, now our yummy hot chocolate is ready. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye!
Bye. So yummy.
Delicious!